Hi YouTube, today, I'll show my gun shop. Keep in mind this is still work in progress. Now enough talk, let's start. So this is the entrance. This mini shop thing is covered cause I don't know what to do with it. There's a no Russian flag, so no Russians come. Now finally, this is the gun shop. That's the PvP zone. And that's the medic room. There's clothing there. Boxing area. So this is the inside. Spins helmet, gun decorations and food.
Music.
Don't mind film.
Nothing here sadly.
Blocking entrances so people don't break it.
The medic room.
Nice poster, man.
Inside PvP room.
This is for falling. To be honest, I don't know why I made it.
This is inside the mini shop.
So yeah, that's it. Comment if you have ideas. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed.
Goodbye.